decorations we're putting up, maybe we better take them down, put up some skull and crossbones.
How about we get a giant rolling pin hanging from the ceiling?
Yeah, and how about if I tell your mother when she comes home what you said?
Yeah, I'm just playing.
You're not playing. You have to give me some money now.
Not yet. I'm thirsty. I like your breath juice. Okay, it's in the refrigerator. You should get it for me. What? You're a woman. That's your job. Excuse me? You're supposed to wait on a man. Nuh-uh, Dr. says woman shouldn't spend her life waiting on a man. Okay, but the woman I'm going to get me some juice. Not gonna be me, bud. I wouldn't marry you. Why? Because you're evil. Where'd you get that? The blues. What blues? When my brother plays the blues song, the man on the record always says, you're mean and evil, you do the things you ought not do, and that's you, evil. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not, donkey head. Not potato. No, hold it. No, stop it. How come every time you guys play, you get into an argument? He calls me evil. Because she is. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Stop.
Now, Dad said if I wanted, I could take you to skating this afternoon, but I can't do that if you're going to be fighting.
We won't fight.
Right. You promise?
We promise.
Now, shake hands and apologize.
I'm sorry, Rudy. I'm sorry, too.
Okay, let's go.
But you're still a donkey head. And you're a mashed potato head. I'd rather be a mashed potato head than a donkey head.
Wow, Theo!
Hi.
Theo, this is lovely.
Thanks. Dad and I worked on it all morning.
Wow, it's really great. I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too. I was wondering, what do you wear to something like this?
Isn't that shirt and blouse?
Yeah, right. Guess I'll just wear a coat and tie.
Right.
What's wrong?
Yeah, this is a wedding show. It's for women. Men aren't invited.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, how come you didn't tell us this before we did all this work?
Well, I thought you were doing it because you wanted to help.
Well, I did, but I thought it was something in it for me.
Oh, well, there is. Thank you, oh dearest brother, oh thou.
And that's it.
No, oh most precious, number one son, your diligent work will live forever in my memory.
Well, thanks. It's nice to know that you're laughing with me and not at me.
Right. Well, hi, Chris.
Hey,
Things are coming together very nice.
did you see my bowl?
Yes, I certainly. Oh, it's the best, and so are you.
Thank you.
And because you are, I have something for you.
What is it?
It's out in the car. It's a surprise.
What?
When I saw it, I said, that's clever.
What? What is it?
Shells.
Shells.
Yeah, but not just shells. I mean, this is a do-it-yourself kit from France. This is what you've been wanting for your office.
Oh, well, I'll go out and get it, and I'll assemble it first thing tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why don't you start today?
Are you trying to give me something to do so that I won't peek in on your little sad, tired shower?
Yes.
Ha!
I know how you are. See, you cannot take when people are having fun and you're not included.
Get out of here!
It's true, and that's why I bought the shells, so that you'll have something to do and you won't come upstairs and bother everybody.
Yeah, well, I happen to be a wizard with tools, so I will have finished assembling those shells before your little tired shower starts.
Okay. You can come upstairs if you finish the shells, but they must be fully assembled. Is that a deal?
Sure, it's a deal. But after I finish them, and I get Theo to help me, I may not even want to come up to the shower. I may just decide to go out someplace by myself.
Good.
I might even go and look at some sports cars by myself. And eat a hoagie and put extra mayonnaise on it by myself.
Well, I'm going to leave this room so you can sit here and continue talking to yourself.
Sorry, it's got beat up on me all the time.
Hey, Veronica.
Hi,
Hey,
Theo.
how you doing?
I can't believe how much you've grown.
Well, I can't believe you're getting married.
Well, if I'd have known you were going to turn out so handsome, I'd have waited.
Really?
You bet.
You know, Veronica, I never told you this, but there was a time when I was really in love with you.
Well, why didn't you say something?
Well, I was only 8.
Monica? Denise? So excited. Oh, my God. So good. I'm so excited. Everybody's coming. Please come in.
Hey, hey, hey!
Dr. Huxtable.
Yes, how are you?
I'm great.
Veronica. Oh, you are so cool.
Is it
Very
your
funny.
Theo!
What are you gonna mess away?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna lay my chair real quick.
They sure have a good time up there.
Yeah, but they're not having as much fun as we are.
Yeah, but they're laughing and we're not.
Laughing doesn't always mean you're having fun. I mean, there are times when you can experience joy from within.
Like the joy we're feeling now.
That is correct. Now, let's get started. Raise up the shells, boys.
Dad, remember the instructions?
Okay.
There you go.
Breaking up the shells, boys. Huh?
These instructions are in French.
Okay, well, they have an English version of this. So take a look. Breaking up the
I don't see the English version.
Okay, well, then you translate it.
Why me?
Because you're taking French in school.
Dad, I've only had 1 semester of it.
Well, so what? You got nouns, verbs, and numbers, right?
Yeah.
Hit it.
Assemblage. Okay, that means assembly. Okay, now the picture says you're supposed to hold the vertical part up. Okay, now, allez donc malais. With the mallet. Okay, with the mallet, pound your ankle into slot A. And it says cheville.
Read it on, please.
Posez, Modrier, sur un chevalet. Put your mother on a horse.
Wow. Liz, these candlesticks are beautiful. Was it from your romantic candlelight dinner?
What romantic dinners? They're getting married.
That's not all. It comes with a poem. There once was a girl named Veronica who liked to play the harmonica. I don't play the harmonica. I know, but it rhymes. She loved a man named Jim.
George, do you think it's all right that I'm tricking your husband?
Oh, well, it's all right. And it's fun.
Darling? What? Stick.
Well, thank you.
Yes. Is there a room on the sofa for me?
Oh, I'll make room for you.
Thank you.
Now, what are you doing all the way over there?
You know what? Put them up here.
And to what do I owe this lovely pampering?
Oh, just credited to the fact that you are beautiful.
Keep talking.
You know, I was thinking about that.
Yeah, what are you thinking about?
Well, I was just supposing, what would happen if he asked Sandra to marry him?
Never.
Never?
Never. I say never would I allow such a thing to happen.
Yeah, but
Never.
Claire.
Not while I'm living, not even when I'm dead.
Yeah,
No.
fine. No, it's...
No. I have spent my entire life waiting for Sandra to dump that boy.
Yeah, but you haven't spent your entire life without him. Come on.
Well, it feels like it. The
Yeah.
boy's attitudes towards women are downright primitive. He thinks that the man is the king. The woman is supposed to sit there and just fulfill his every wish and command. No.
No, but the boys have changed considerably since those times. And look at what you did, how you changed me.
I do not want Sandra to go through what I went through with you.
But I wasn't. All I'm just saying is I just said suppose.
You can suppose all you like, okay? But if that boy
Huxtable?
Yeah, I think you better elope.
Why? What's the matter?
You just have to give Mrs. Huxtable one more time. That's all.
How much?
Well, more time than you have, I would imagine.
I don't understand, Dr. Huxtable. You said you could handle it. You said you knew her better than she knew herself.
Yeah, well, I do, except when your name comes up. then I don't know my wife at all. I'm sorry.
Dr. Huxtable, I hate to say this, but you really let me down.
Yeah. But there's got to be something we can do.
I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to stand up to Mrs. Huxtable.
Well, I don't think you want to do that.
Tonight at dinner, I'm going to ask Sandra to marry me, whether Mrs. Huxtable likes it or not.
Okay, well, come here. Sit down. Sit down. Now, I think there's something that we could do. We got one last shot before.
I'll do anything.
Okay, how do you really feel about women? I'd rather have you do.
Feel like women are equal to men.
Do you believe a woman could be CEO? Could be president of a corporation? Could be president of the United States?
Of course.
You believe that? You
Yes.
wouldn't have a problem.
No, she could be an astronaut by herself.
I don't understand.
You know, fly to the moon in a spaceship by herself.
By herself? Yes. Yeah. Come on now, we're going to go in here and we'll tell Mrs. Huxtable. Dear, I want you to hear something. You should have heard the things that this young man was saying in the living room. Go ahead, tell Mrs. Huxtable what you're saying.
Well, I was just saying to Dr. Huxtable that I firmly believe in the equality between men and women.
There you go.
Really?
Yes.
And what else?
Well, it is also my sincere opinion that a woman can do anything
There you go.
on her own.
What else?
A woman can fly to the moon without the help of any man.
There you go.
Well, Elvin, thank you very much for sharing your attitude.
That attitude came from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you at dinner.
All right, Elvin. Now, wasn't that wonderful? And sincere.
I'm amazed.
Yes, good.
I'm amazed at how that boy could stay in my kitchen in front of my face and lie to me like that. It's nothing but a big thing. And you are with him.
I'm with you.
Let the record show that if the boy so much as opens his mouth at dinner tonight, I will throw him so far from this house he'll forget the address. No, Denise, we haven't set a date yet. But you'll be the first to know because I want you to be my maid of honor. I know, it is exciting. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Was Bree surprised?
She screamed, "My sister's getting married!" to the entire dorm.
Are you gonna have a big wedding?
Well, yeah, we'd like to if Mom and Dad say it's okay.
We figure the more the merrier.
How's everybody doing today?
Okay, well, this is it.
Well, good luck.
Here I go.
Okay.
I'm really gonna do it, Lana.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Oh, hi, Papa.
Where's Thea?
He's upstairs shaving his head.
Excuse me. Don't do it. Stop. Don't shave your head. We're not in the video.
What?
I've been trying to call you for an hour, but your phone's been busy all day.
Where's Vanessa? She's been on the phone all day. What's wrong?
Oh man, I'm beat. I ran all the way over here. Just go sit down. This is really terrible. What happened? You're not going to believe it. I went down early to hang out on the set, and I couldn't even get on the set.
You're kidding.
There were 200 guys there already, and every one of them had a shaved head.
Whoa.
They took the first 12 and sent the rest of us home. I went up to the assistants and I said, "Hey, you told me I was in." And he just looked at me and gave me $50 for showing up.
$50, man, that's great.
Yeah, but look at this. look that bad. Sure.
Girls gonna love it when they see you like that.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know why I got so freaked about it anyway.
Honey, I'm proud of you. You stayed calm.
Yes, what is the matter with you? Nothing. I'm always calm. Really?
No, Cliff, it's true. Scott really has learned to control his temper. He had to.
Well, how'd you do that?
It was easy. I had a heart attack.
When did this happen?
6 months ago. I finally saw the guys. They come to get me. Who? The 4 horsemen. Come over the hill about sundown, right to my door. Said, saddle up, Buckaroo, you're riding with us. I said, where we're going, is it hot or is it cold? They said, dress light. I said, come back and get me another time. So, they gave me the zipper instead. I was about 2 weeks in hospital. Are you kidding? Quadruple bypass. You know, I just saw that on television. You should have told me. I could have done it for you half price.
Okay, make yourself at home.
Yeah, I thought I wasn't until you turned the noise off.
Vanessa, turn that back on. Vanessa.
Oh, you're back.
Yeah.
Son, you remember Mr. and Mrs. Kelly?
Yes, hi.